The City of Carlsbad needs your help redrawing City Council district boundaries, something that happens only once a decade. And it's happening now. Redistricting is the process of redrawing the boundaries of election districts based on the latest census. The goal is to make sure all 4 City Council districts have about the same number of people. Why should you get involved? Redistricting will determine which areas will be grouped together for the purpose of electing City Council members, starting with the November election. One of the goals of district elections is to give groups that share common racial, ethnic, and economic interests a greater voice in choosing their elected representatives. These are called communities of interest. We need your on-the-ground expertise to make sure we have identified these communities within our city. There are many ways you can help. For example, come to our public hearings or workshops, or fill out an online survey. Let us know where you think your own neighborhood starts and ends. Ideally, neighborhoods won't be split into more than one district. You can also draw how you think your district boundaries should change, or redraw the boundaries for all 4 districts. Or you can use an online tool that lets you create detailed maps and see the population from the latest census as you go. Or use a paper map kit. If you don't want to make your own map, you can provide feedback on maps created by other community members and the city's professional demographer. In Carlsbad, an independent redistricting commission will choose the boundaries of the final district map based on all this input. New maps have to be approved by April 17, 2022. Find out more on the city's website. Let's map Carlsbad's future together.